Okay, pre-calculus, I thought I would do one of these problems before you have to do these on Khan Academy for writing an equation of a parabola when you're given the focus and the directrix. So this is trash. Let's do another one. Paste here. Okay, so I was just working on another one. Oh, let me pause this and get rid of that directrix. Okay, so we've got our x-axis and our y-axis, and we are given a focus at 1, 2. I'm going to put an F next to it so I know it's a focus. And my directrix is at y equals 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Okay. The vertex has to be right in the middle, has to be in the midpoint of the focus and the directrix. So I'm just going to count. Okay. I've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the vertex is right there. So the vertex is at 1, 4. And that's my HK. Now, if I show you back from algebra 2, this is a graph for y equals x squared. This is a graph for x equals y squared. Okay? The formulas look a little bit different. We've got a parent function, so we've got a shift of HK. And we also have this P. P is the distance between the vertex and the focus. Now, the P is, back from algebra 2, if it opens up or to the right, it's positive. And if it opens down or to the left, that leading coefficient is going to be negative. So, in this particular one, since the parabola always opens away from the directrix, I know my graph is going to look something like this because it has to open towards the focus. So that means my P is going to be negative. This distance is P, so P is going to be negative 2. Now I also know, since it's opening down, that I'm going to be using this formula. So I'm going to go ahead and write that in. Okay, so there's my equation. So now I'm just going to go ahead and fill in what I know. My x, okay, this is going to be x minus h, which is 1 squared, equals 4 times p, which is now going to be negative 2, and then y minus k, which is 4. Now, in the Khan Academy, okay, the way they want you to write these is they have, for these types of problems, they have y isolated. So all we've got to do is we've got to isolate this y. So we're going to have to divide both sides by this negative 10. I'm running out of room here. I'll write over here. So that's going to be x minus 1 squared divided by 10. Okay, there's a negative in front. And then we have to add 4. So that should be our equation. Let's plug it in and see if it works. Shoot, I hope I can remember that. Okay. Leading with a negative, x minus 1 quantity squared divided by 10, and then plus 4, shoot, plus 4. What? Did I not write it right? Where did I mess up? 4 times 2 is 8. 8. Okay, so the whole thing there you go. Okay, so that's how you do those problems. All right, I'm done.